So, I told my dev team I found a tool that could do their job. They laughed. Then I showed them. They stopped laughing. Hey, I'm Christina, and welcome to That AI Girl. Today, I'm going to show you the tool that completely changed how I build software. It's called Claude Code. And no, it's not another code autocompleter that suggests the wrong variable name and calls it a day. This is a full, autonomous AI agent. You talk to it, and it actually does the work. It reads your entire code base, plans what needs to happen, writes the code, runs the tests, and even fixes its own bugs. Yeah, it's basically the intern you always wanted but never had. And this isn't some random side project. NASA uses it, Spotify uses it, Stripe uses it. It has over 81,000 stars on GitHub, and it was rated the #1 most loved AI coding tool in 2026. Number 1. Above Cursor, above Copilot, above everything. Now here's what really sets it apart. It lives in your terminal, not inside some fancy editor. Your terminal, which means it works everywhere. Your laptop, a remote server, a Docker container, even inside a CI pipeline. It's built on the Unix philosophy. You can pipe things into it, chain it with other tools, and script entire workflows. And unlike some AI tools that go rogue, this one lets you control exactly what it can access. Safety first. So, what do you need to get started? Honestly, not much. Any computer, Mac, Windows, Linux, whatever you have, an internet connection, 4 gigs of RAM, and a Claude Pro subscription at $20 a month. That's it. No complicated setup, no dependencies to install. Seriously, zero. The installation itself, you'll see the command right there on screen. One line, copy, paste, done. 30 seconds and you're ready. On Windows, same thing. One command in PowerShell. Then you just open your project and type Claude. That's it. You're in, and here's where it gets fun. You can literally tell it, fix this bug, and it will read your code, trace the issue, and fix it. Tell it to write tests, and it generates a full test suite and runs it. Ask it to build a REST API, and it creates multiple files with working endpoints. You can even say, open a pull request, and it will commit your changes, push them, and create the PR with a proper description. I mean, at this point, what's left for us to do? Maybe just drink coffee and review the code. So, are you ready to try it? Tomorrow, I'll walk you through your very first project with Claude Code, from zero to fully deployed. Make sure you follow so you don't miss it. And save this video because trust me, you're going to want to come back to it.